Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download programs onto your terminal. So the programs we're going to download are kind of goofy, not really, useful or practical, but it's a good example. So the first one that we're going to download is called Calce. So to do that, we type yum install, and then the name, it's xcalce. Okay, we'll try this one, which is called SL. Here we go. So SL is stands for steam locomotion. I should have got rid of that so I could see what's going on. But so we'll type this, and then here's what happens. Get a little steam locomotion. It's kind of cool. And this is how you uninstall. Okay, it's yum remove SL. Now we can test this by doing that. Okay, cool. That's gonna be it. If you learned anything, awesome. Like and subscribe. And if you want to see anything in particular, please comment down below. Have a good weekend. Goodbye.